Are you ready to unbox and set up your brand new Cricut Maker 4? In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through the complete setup process step by step, making it super easy to get your machine up and running. Also, if you run into any issues or have any questions during setup, our expert team is here to assist you. Simply give us a call at the numbers displayed on the screen, and we'll help you to get everything sorted out. Now, let's dive right in and get your Cricut set up. Remove your Cricut Maker 4 from its box and take out packaging materials. Verify all included accessories are present. Position your Cricut on a level, sturdy surface close to both power outlet and your computer. Insert the power cord into the port on the back of the machine, then plug it into a wall outlet. Open your browser and navigate to design.cricut.com/setup to download Cricut Design Space. Follow the prompt displayed on the screen to install the software onto your computer. Launch Cricut Design Space after installation and select Product Setup. Your browser will redirect you to Cricut ID registration page. Complete the required information and click on Create Cricut ID. After signing in successfully, a browser notification will appear at the top of the window. Click on Open to start the Cricut application. If you're finding this guide helpful, take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more Cricut tutorials and crafting tips. Select the first option for machine setup and click on Continue. Select your specific machine model and click Continue. Follow the on-screen instruction, clicking on the right arrow to advance through each prompt. Choose your preferred connection method and click on Continue. Click Continue one more time. Locate the USB cable that came with your machine. Connect one end of the USB cable to the port on the back of your Cricut and insert the other end to your computer. Lift the lid of your machine and then remove any internal packaging materials, foam, and protective tape. Press the power button to turn on your machine. Return to your computer and complete the remaining setup steps as directed on the screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.